sorry. When there's an issue, you always.
Welcome from Halong Bay.
Or better, Bai Tu Long Bay, which is less touristy.
Way less touristy.
But as beautiful.
If not even more beautiful than the Halong Bay. We shipped into, how do you say, like we onboarded actually yesterday to the ship, the Dragon Chunk, which is a classical Vietnamese vessel. Chunk. So we spent the day yesterday here already. I did a little kayaking experience.
Yeah, and we on our way here we got to see a typically Vietnamese water puppet show.
Yeah, which was as funny as disturbing. But was really cool. We had an excellent dinner, and right now we are off to the second kayaking experience right around one of these little beautiful islands here.
And limestone mountains.
Limestone mountains. And we are really packed into our warm clothes right now, as you can see, because outside is like, I don't know, 15 degrees?
Most.
At the most. So here we are very warm, but down there, shorts again. So yeah, let's go out. Let's do it.
Yeah. The boats are waiting.
Boats are waiting already. There they are.
You really leave, I want you to be here. You string me on. You string me on. So
This is our last day here at our cruise in the Halong Bay. We are just about to visit a pearl farm and row with a little boat around it. So let's see how that turns out. And that's it then, more or less, from the Halong Bay. We just ship back to the harbor, hop onto the bus and then back to the city.
Yeah.
And we hope you enjoyed our little tour here. And whenever you come here, just make sure you stay for 2 nights and 3 days, because just 2 days would be too little.
Yes.
So that's pretty awesome, and we liked it very much. And if you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And see you in the next video.